In this video, what I'm going to do is go over an adjustable pet double feed bowl from the company NEVERYOUYU, whatever that means, NEVERYOUYU. And just kind of like looking over the sides here, it shows you how to adjust the angle and all that on this thing. Actually, I'll just open it up and show you. I did open it up and kind of take a look at it. Number one, it looks really good. This thing looks very premium. And what I did, I'm just kind of like show you how it adjusts right here. You turn it like that. You see how there's two pieces like that? And look how there's an angle up here and a flat down here. You put it in, lock it in place. So what I'm going to do is make this the feed bowl and this the watering bowl, because I have that one at a 45-degree angle and that one at, just flat. Doesn't that look good? Very simple. It has a little legs down here, a little like rubberized feet, so the dog or cat cannot move it around. And the reason you want this is to add an angle so the dog or cat doesn't have to like lean down their head so much. It can stay like straighter and eat directly out of it. Very good that it does that. Let me go ahead, fill it up, and let Remo give it a whirl and see what he thinks about it. Dog food that I normally use is the Caesar, the rotisserie chicken flavor. Remo really likes this stuff. See how I have the food on this side? And what's cool about this is if I need to adjust it, I just pull it off like that, and then I can lay it down flat or take it off and wash it. So the food's on this side and the water's on this side. Let's get him over and let's see how he likes it. Remo, come here. Come on. Here, boy. He's a little camera shy. He sees that I'm filming him. Let me walk away for a minute. Yeah, you see, he's a very picky eater, but I wanted him to be more comfortable with his bowl, so I have it at this angle, and this is the watering bowl. And it kind of looks good. It kind of looks a little more premium. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got on the tilting double bowl. See y'all in the next video.